Hey guys, welcome back to Shruti Arts. I'm Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. In today's video, we are going to learn that how you can draw a simple painting like what's in today's video. So let me tell you that few days ago I was just looking through the window and just got inspired by some nature, and like I want to get some nature vibes to my channel too, to my paintings. So I just thought, why not to make a painting of nature, like a simple painting which a beginner can also make. So today we are going to make a painting on canvas using acrylic colors. So we are in such scenario that you don't have canvas right now. If you don't, make sure to comment down. I will make another video that how you can make something DIY which will work as canvas. So let me just know in the comment that you want that tutorial. I am going to make that tutorial next for you. And also if you want any art tutorial, make sure to request down in the comment section, and by that I am also going to make that tutorial for you and also give shout out to my screen over here. With that, if you haven't subscribed Shruti Art, make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts. After completing 500 subscribers, I am going to make 5 or 2 of my subscribers portraits for free and give it as a giveaway. So make sure to subscribe down Shruti Arts. We are just remaining for 20 subscribers to complete our 500 subscribers. With that, after completing 1000 subscribers, there's a surprise for you that I'm going to get something interesting for you, by which you can also respond to me and you will get to know more about me and my channel. So make sure to subscribe down and also comment down and share this video with all your friends. And today we are going to make this beautiful painting. This is an aesthetic painting and I really loved how it turned out. As you can see, this is super cute and this is one of my favorite drawing yet, and like a beginner can make this with some simple techniques I'm going to show you in today's video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. We are going to make this painting today. And also, as you can see, I have used some colors. Yellow, I have used these pastel colors, and like it's super cute and I'm really satisfied with the results. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts, comment down, and now let's start our video. But let me tell you one thing, the last thing, that I am taking paid portraits or paid works, or if you want anything customized from Shruti Arts, make sure to DM me on Instagram or just comment below that I want a portrait. I will send all the details to you over there. So now let's begin our video and see by using some simple methods how you can make this drawing. Just don't skip the video. I am also going to mention a bonus tip at the end of the video. So let's begin and see how we can do this canvas painting. So many of you might be known that what materials I am using for my paintings, that is canvas painting, but many are new to my channel. So let me introduce some things. So I am going to use this Variety Company canvas board. This is artist quality board and you can use acrylic colors on it and it's acid free. So I am just going to flip this over and show you. So it's made in India and also it comes for about 86 to 100 bucks. So now what I'm going to do is just take out the plastic wrapping on the canvas board. So I like the quality of this board so much, that is why I use this canvas board really. And if you have seen my previous video, then you will get to know that I use this canvas board very often. And now I'm just going to take this plastic wrapping out. So now let's take it off and see how our canvas board looks like. So now what I'm going to do is I took out all the packaging, and now let me show you how this canvas looks like. As you can see, this is really clean and there are no stains. So as you can see over here, I have this plate. I'm going to mix all my colors over here, and this is my canvas. So now let's see how we are going to paint. I will show all the things and give you all the tips as I can. So I'm going to use this brush and many more. You will get to know that in the video ahead, so don't skip the video at all. So now what I'm going to do is I have this masking tape over here, and now I'm going to measure some size, that is some measurement of this canvas, and just trim that masking tape over. And now I'm going to stick that masking tape not in the center of my canvas but a bit lower to it. So as you can see, I'm just taking measurement and I am going to trim this off. Yes, and now I'm going to go a bit lower and just stick it to over here. So this will be a reference line for two horizons. You will get to know why we are using this in the video ahead. So this is an easy technique by which a beginner can paint a beautiful canvas painting. So let's just see how we will work now. So I'm going to mix some new shades and pastel colors for this. For mixing some colors I'm going to use this brush. And now let me take some yellow color. So now I am going to mix this yellow color and white color to make a bit lighter yellow color which looks like pastel yellow color. I love this shade so much and we are going to use this in our painting. Like this by using this same method I am going to use a pastel pink color too. For making that I am going to use pink color and white color. So let's just make these two colors and see how it works. So as you can see over here I have made these two colors, that is this lighter yellow color and light pink color, by using red and white and using yellow and white. So now let's see how you can add these two colors and merge them. So now I'll use this yellow color and just swipe my brush off on my canvas like this by using a guide, that is this guideline which we have made with help of our masking tape. So now let's drag this over up and we are going to go for this yellow color more, and make sure you use thick color. This was tip for today's video, that your consistency of the color should be best. So I'm going to add some pink color, and as you can see using yellow and pink I'm going to merge this both color together. So if you want a video specially for how to merge acrylic colors on canvas, just comment down, I'll make one more tutorial for that. So I'm just using pink and yellow color to merge the between, and pink color for my upper colors. So now let's just fill this up. So now I am going to take some blue color, and using blue and white color I am going to make a sky blue color, that is light blue color, and after that I am just going to mix them up and just paint my upper part of my canvas which is remaining. So now let's just paint this part, and as you can see over here, so I am just painting again and again. So to merge this pink and blue color, what I'm going to do is as you can see I have completed this blue part. So let me complete that first, and now we will merge this up. So for that what I'm going to do is take some pink color on my brush and directly apply it in between of them, by which this will give me a nice shade, that is some a bit purplish shade, and this will merge this both color, and it will not have some harsh lines, that is harsh ends. So let's just mix it nicely and see how it looks like. So now we have done. Let me take this masking tape off before we start. As you can see over here, the ends are looking so nice and I'm really satisfied. You can use this technique to achieve this stuff. And now I'm going to stick it again, but the ends are different. So as you can see over here, I'm going to stick it nicely, and after that I'm going to apply some colors and merge them up. So let's just do that again. So just follow my steps what I'm going to do and just fill this lower part too. Now draw some mountains at the corner of this canvas using light blue and dark blue color as I'm doing over here. now I'm going to paint this white color, that is this white line, and after that using dry brush I'm going to draw some strokes. So make sure this line should be a bit broad and have a great quantity of white color. And now we are going to use this dry brush, and just like this you will follow me, that is you will go for these strokes. You will not add any kind of water over here, just go for it directly with dry brush. Now using dark blue color and white color, I am going to make textures like this, like waves, which will look like waves and which will look even better in my painting. Now paint a moon like this, which will add some more glow to your painting. And now we are going to use this white paint and just spray some white dots to our ocean, by which it will look more nice and more sparkly. So now let's complete this. I know your hands will get messed up, but this is the best technique to do this, and I love this. So make sure to do this, it will add more glow and more aesthetic feel to your drawing. And we are done completing our painting nicely. This is looking really adorable and I really love the results. So try this, and if you tried, make sure to DM us on our Instagram account and just comment below how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Shruti Art. Comment down and share this video with all your friends.